Hello guys, the benefits of natural lemon juice. Lemon juice is considered one of the best natural drinks that are characterized by their delicious taste and high nutritional value, thanks to the fact that it contains the essential elements of the body, including vitamins, minerals, and amino acids, which makes it one of the most important drinks that can treat various diseases and prevent from several other of them, and below we will mention the most prominent benefits to the body in this article. The benefits of natural lemon juice improve the functioning of the digestive system, relieves the problem of constipation by increasing the ductility of the intestine, relieves intestinal worms, relieves indigestion, and also stimulates the work of the liver by stimulating the production of yellow sap. It cleans the blood from toxins. It helps to expel gases from the body and reduces swelling thanks to the presence of malic acid. It gives the skin high freshness, contributes to brightening its color, and protects against the appearance of love and pimples, including acne, as it contains a high percentage of anti-inflammatory and allergic vitamin C in its various forms. Maintains cardiovascular strength, arterial integrity, and vascular activity, as it significantly reduces the harmful cholesterol level in the blood, which prevents oxygen from reaching the blood, thus preventing sudden heart attacks. It improves the strength of hair roots and follicles, and reduces hair loss by nourishing the scalp. It improves mood and is one of the best natural drinks that can eliminate depression and prevent it, as it contains a high percentage of essential vitamins, in addition to its delicious taste. It strengthens the blood, because it contains iron, as it raises hemoglobin in it. It strengthens the bones, because it contains calcium, which protects them from fragility and weakness, and prevents their softening. It contributes to strengthening the immune system, and increases the body's efficiency in resisting various pathological infections, by resisting viral, bacterial, and bacterial infections that cause various diseases, and by increasing the number of white blood cells in the body. Weight loss during record time, especially if taken on an empty stomach daily, with lukewarm water, without adding sugar. It adjusts blood sugar, making it good for diabetics. It is recommended to wash teeth thoroughly after consuming a drink of lemon juice, as it increases enamel erosion and affects it negatively, and care must be taken to avoid overuse, in order to avoid diarrhea, stomach disorders and digestion. How to prepare lemon juice? You can prepare lemon juice using traditional tools or traditional juices, by washing it, cutting it in 2 halves, placing it over the place designated for squeezing, pressing it to obtain the desired juice, and mixing it with an appropriate amount of water dissolved in sugar as desired. It can be prepared using an electric mixer, by cutting the required quantity of it into a group of medium and small-sized pieces, mixing it with water and sugar, and mixing the ingredients together in the mixer, and mint can also be added to obtain greater benefits.